Okay, children, now welcome to our language class. For this class, we are going to review ch sound. Let's see what are we going to do. Here we have our learning experiences for today. The first activity that we are going to do is listening to the song. The second activity, we are going to practice the vocabulary. The third activity, read a story, and then you're going to work and upload your work in Seesaw. Let's listen to the song. Activity number 1. Okay, now that you have listened to the song, let's continue reviewing the vocabulary. Here we have the first word is church. Pay attention to ch sound. Church. Chain, children, chips, and sandwich. Here we have more words. Chin, cherry, lunch, chop, and chocolate. Here we have ch sound at the beginning. Let's read and blend. I'm going to do the example with 3 words and then you have to continue with the next words. Chop, ch, o, p, chop. Cheese, ch, e, s. Pay attention here, people, because this is a magic E that is not pronounced at the end of the word. Cheese, ch, e, s. Chick, ch, e, k. Chick. Child, ch, I, u, d. Child. Chat, ch, a, t. Chat. Change, ch, a, j. Magic E, remember, we don't pronounce. Changed. Children, ch, e, l, d, e, children. Practice this line, this column, with your parents, okay? Go ahead. Now, the second here that I have here is ch sound at the end of the word. For example, rich, e, ch, rich. Bench, b, e, ch, bench. Branch, b, a, ch, branch. Bunch, b, a, ch, bunch. Teach. Here remember that we have 2 vowels but only 1 sound. T, e, ch, teach. Inch, e, ch, inch. Touch, t, a, ch, touch. Now you're going to continue with the second column with your parents. Okay, now let's continue with the next activity. We're going to read the story. This story is The Lunch. Pay attention, to ch sound and 2 words. The lunch. One Sunday, after going to the church, Mom and Dad went back home to see their children, Charlie and Charlotte. They were playing with Chat and Shannon. Can you identify the words, 2 names that have ch sound and are not in red? Very good. Let's continue. As it was lunchtime and they were hungry, they decided to cook something quick. Chat and Shannon went home to have lunch too. They decided to make a sandwich and some chips. Everybody was helping. Dad had to chop the tomatoes. Mom was making the guacamole, and the children were adding cheese and ham. When the sandwiches were ready, they opened the chips, they drank soda. When they finished lunch, Dad washed the dishes. Mom recycled the cans, and children went to play with Shannon and Chad outside. Ouch! Heard Mom. Charlie was crying. He fell down from his bike because his bike chain broke. Oh no, said Mom. Charlie hurt his chin. Poor Charlie, she said. Mom went inside and brought some cream. She hugged Charlie and cleaned his wound and applied the cream on his chin. Then she covered it with a band-aid and kissed him in the cheek. Mom's love can cure anything, said Charlie. He was feeling so much better. Now, people, you can read and practice. The more you practice, the better you get. Now, what are you going to do? You are going to complete the activity in Seesaw. Here, drag the answers to the corresponding places. Church, chin, chat, Shannon, chain, cheek, sandwich, cherry pie, Chelsea, lunch, chocolate, cake, chop. And you have to complete these words that you have here. But remember that you are going to work in Seesaw. After that, you are going to complete the worksheet, a chicken maze, and you have to start here, follow the path, using the materials you want, and here you go out, okay? You have to find the corresponding path to come into and go to the correct side, okay? Don't forget, people, to write your name here and the date. It is very, very important, okay? After that, children, you are going to turn the page and you're going to color the pictures that have the ch sound. Let's review the words. Here we have church, 6, ball, snake, cherry, chips, children, ring, chin, sandwich, watermelon, bee, boot, chop. Remember that here you only color the drawings that belong to ch sound. And that's all for today. People, use folders. This corresponds to tutor folder in Seesaw. Once you finish, you take a picture and you upload in Seesaw. Okay? Thank you very much and see you later. Bye. Kisses.